In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recent search on Walmart 2026. Let's get started right on the Walmart website. Open your browser and go to walmart.com. When the home page loads, look toward the top of the page for the large search bar. This is where you normally type what you're shopping for. Move your mouse over that search box to bring it into focus, then click inside it. Clicking tells the site you're ready to search and, in most cases, opens a small drop-down panel right under the bar. In that panel, you'll see a section that shows your recent searches. These are the terms you've typed before. Handy when you want to repeat a search, but not something you always want hanging around. The goal here is to remove anything you don't want the site to remember on this browser. As you look at the list, pay attention to the right side of each recent search entry. You should notice a small X icon aligned with each term. That X is your delete button for that specific item. If you don't immediately see the X, hover your mouse over the entry. It often becomes more visible when your cursor is on it. Now click the X next to any search you want to remove. The entry disappears right away, confirming it's been cleared. Repeat that for each term you'd like to delete until your list looks the way you want. A quick note on what this does and doesn't do: clicking the X removes that individual search from the suggestions you see in this browser. It doesn't affect your orders, your account, or saved lists, and it doesn't delete anything from another device or browser. If you use Walmart on multiple devices, you'll only see the change on the one you're using now. If the recent searches panel doesn't appear after you click the search bar, make sure the page is fully loaded and that your cursor is active in the field. Sometimes refreshing the page can help. Also, certain privacy settings, extensions, or strict browser modes can limit what shows in that dropdown, so the list may be empty if your browser isn't saving that data. That's all there is to it. Hover over the search bar, click to open your recent searches, and use the X to remove any entries you no longer want to see. Clean, quick, and done. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.